Hello everyone, I'm Ved Prakash. Today I'm going to start chapter Matrices of class 12th. Then first of all we talk about what is the application of matrices. जैसे कि आपने देखा होगा कि मैट्रिसेस बेसिकली क्या होता है कि जैसे हमने 10th क्लास में देखा होगा पढ़ा होगा आप लोगों ने लीनियर इक्वेशंस इन टू वेरिएबल्स जहाँ पे आप x और y की वैल्यू एलिमिनेशन मेथड से निकालते थे क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड से निकालते हैं सिमिलरली यहाँ पर भी हम मैट्रिसेस को उसी तरीके से यूज करते हैं यहाँ पे 3 वेरिएबल्स भी होता है x y z. Now what is matrix? Matrix basically it is a rectangular arrangement of an elements or function. We call it matrix, rectangular arrangement. Then what is rectangular arrangement? When we have to write down the elements in horizontal and vertical way. Horizontal is called rows and vertical we call it column. This is known as matrix. Then we come to order of matrix. When we tell about the how many rows and how many columns are present in any matrix, we call it order of matrix. Order of matrix is represented by m by n. Then we come to types of matrices. Types of matrices are like row matrix, column matrix, square matrix, scalar matrix, diagonal matrix, unit matrix, and last is zero matrix. Then we discuss about what is row matrix. Row matrix is that matrix in which single row is present and many number of columns are present. It is represented by 1 by n. Then we come to column matrix. Column matrix is that matrix in which one column is present and many number of rows are present. It is represented by m by 1. Then we come to square matrix. A square matrix is that matrix in which number of rows and number of columns both are equal, m equals to n. This type of matrices is called square matrix. Then we come to diagonal matrix. You have to keep in your mind that in diagonal matrix must be square matrix also. That means number of rows and number of columns must be equal in that. Here we notice that all the elements of diagonal elements are non-zero and rest of the non-diagonal elements are zero. We call it diagonal matrix. Then we come to scalar matrix. A scalar matrix is a special case of diagonal matrix. When all the elements of diagonal are same and rest of the non-diagonal elements are zero, we call it scalar matrix. Then we come to identity matrix, which is very important. Identity matrix is a square matrix in which diagonal elements are always 1 and non-diagonal elements are zeros. We call it diagonal matrix. It is represented by I. Then we come to zero matrix. Zero matrix is that matrix where all the elements of a matrix are zero. In my next video, I'll talk about exercises of class 12 and last thing is I have to discuss equality of matrices. Equality of matrices. What is equality of matrices? Equality of matrices is that matrices in which two matrices are equal if their order is same and their corresponding elements are also same. This type of matrices are, we call it equal matrices. In our next video, we will discuss about operations on matrices and we will solve exercises. Thanks for watching me. Thank you very much.